Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First, I want to say thank you so much for all of the comments and messages regarding my last upload, my inventory overhaul, and how I'm doing my new spreadsheet, and I'm still not quite done. I think I'm down to my final 2 bins of sorting and all of that. So that's been fun, and I'm really excited for this box. Yes, yet another ThredUp mystery unboxing. I love a good mystery, and I feel like there's 2 types of resellers out there. You either are completely obsessed with them, or you're not willing to take the risk, or you just like to watch people like me take the risk and you'll never do it yourself. So I appreciate you watching regardless. And this is the kids mystery shoebox. Now, before you're like, I just don't see the point in selling kid stuff. There's not a lot of money there. I'll tell you, my #1 seller right now is kid shoes. And just before I clicked record on this video, I sold a pair of natives over on Poshmark. So kid shoes definitely sell, especially if you're buying the right brands. Native, Mini Melissa, Keen. I've got a video, a couple videos where I've shown you my thrift hauls and what I've picked up. Sorry, my mom's calling me. I'm trying to make it not vibrate everything. So let's just dig in. I will tell you the price of all of the ThredUp rescue boxes did increase. This box is now $48. It was $44. So there's 10 pairs of kid shoes, and that's Michael. You know, the one y'all like. Oh, babe, you want to stay and unbox my first pair of kid shoes?
I gotta go pay the man.
Oh, come back though.
Okay.
They like when you are in my videos more than when it's just me. Because he's cute, right? All right, so that makes the purchase price of each of these shoes $5.40. Now, I will tell you that is the highest typically that I will pick up a pair of shoes in my local thrift stores, and it's got to be something really good like the brands I just mentioned. But hey, maybe there'll be one awesome pair. My first box like this was amazing. That's where my daughter got a couple pairs of school shoes and a pair of Uggs. My last one was not great, but I did end up taking about half of that box to Once Upon a Child. They took all of them, and I was able to totally break even on what I spent, and I do have about 4 pairs listed. So not the best, but I didn't lose money. So, all right, this is just my little invoice. I did cut it open already, and it is Rescue Kids Shoebox. I don't have any others on the way right now. Bummer. I've not been able to snag any. It's just hard to get these days. All right. And this box did come from Georgia again, and got the bubbles. So we're gonna dive in. My hopes for this box is always to hopefully make a profit, definitely not lose money, and maybe find a pair or 2 for my kids. I've got 3 kids, so that within the size ranges, and so the chances are pretty great. So let me just find a matching pair. All right, first up, we've got some Nikes. I'm slowly but surely learning more about Nikes without having to look them up, but these are, they say Force, so I'm assuming these are Air Force Ones, right? All right, they're size U, 3.5. I love Nikes because they've got that number. These are from 2015. For kids Nikes, they are, especially being white, they're in pretty great shape. They've got a little bit of dirt. Magic eraser will take those off. Here's the other one. These are my son's size. I'll ask my husband if he thinks we should keep them, just because, I don't know, he's more into the boys' cool shoes than I am. So those are, hey, that's a great start, right? Better than others I've seen. Okay, next up, oh, little bitty shoes. These are Sperry, little Sperry dress shoes. I gotta hurry up and get these listed. These are perfect little Easter shoes. They are, Sperry always puts the name, which I love, the Tevin. And these are size 6 wide, leather uppers, just little, what would you call these? They have a name, can't think of it at the moment, but they're in pretty great shape. The toes have a little bit of suede wear, totally normal of kids' shoes. And yeah, so I'll definitely be able to double, at least, probably triple my $5 investment on these. All right, this is my first pair that I'll probably take to Once Upon a Child, and they will take them. They love some not as high-end kids shoes there. These are Carter's. They're cute. They are definitely, I would say, on trend with adult shoes right now. What do they call this? Laser cut. They're cute little hearts. If they were my daughter's size, I'd keep them, but they're not. They're 2 sizes too small. One size too small and 3 sizes too big for the next one. So they're in great shape. And Carter shoes retail. They definitely retail for more than $5. These are size 13, but there's no resale value in this. I'm not going to be able to, it's not worth my time, I should say. And worth my time, ideally, I'd like to profit 10 bucks on everything I list. 5 is good because, you know, that's $5 is $5. But these days I'm trying to be a little more wise with my time since I am a part-time reseller and I could spend all my time on it just because I love it. Okay. These I have had in like every box. My last women's box, actually. They're still sitting right here. The last unboxing I did. I have the older version of these. These are the Adidas Superstars. They're cute. They're a size 7 in kids. So I will definitely list these. I'll probably wash the laces first because that's really all that shows wear. Otherwise, they're in really great shape. So that's good. This is a good box already, you guys. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. These are Converse. I love Converse. I can sell Converse all day. I've talked about it in several videos. I've never seen any like this. They've got this gloss on them, but it's confetti in there. Stars and moons. These are really cool. They are size 9. Darn it, I wish they were 10s. But these are cool. Definitely don't show a lot of wear. This is one of the places where they really would show wear. I just got to take a little magic eraser on the edges, but yeah, these are cool. I've never seen any covered with this like coating before. Cool. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me take out the not so great ones, but I see some other cool shoes in here. All right, these are, I will take these to my local consignment, but they're new with tags, so they'll definitely take them. Old Navy, they're cute, but these, you can get these on their $1 and $2 day sales. Okay, another pair of, the only other not cool thing I see, these are from Walmart, but again, my local consignment loves taking these kind of shoes. These are Health Techs, they're size 5, they are brand new. So maybe not brand new, but in decent enough shape that I know that they will take them from me. And I won't get a whole $5 back, but thankfully I've got some others that I think will make up for that. Check these out. I believe these are Flyknits, trying to learn. Another pair of Nikes. These are size 13. Darn, my daughter is in a 1. So, which comes after 13 if you're not into the kids shoe world right now. But these are cute. They're like a maroon purple. They're in really great shape. So I will definitely be able to sell these and probably, I don't know, 20 bucks or so. Awesome. All right, the next pair. I guess Michael's not going to make it back because I'm almost done. There's only 2 left. These are some Vans. Vans sell well for me. These are size 13 and a half. Forget what this pattern is called, but I'm going to throw these in the wash. And yes, I know they have a little bit of suede on them, but I've never had issues washing Vans like this. They come out really clean. And I will definitely be able to sell those too. All right. The last pair. Another pair of Nikes. These are big. I don't know. Let's see. Hold on. They're tied together? Yeah. Okay. So what size are you? 6.5 youth. I'm gonna have to look up what that is in women's because I can list them as women's if I know the size thing. All right, hold on. The tongue was kind of funky in there. Okay, so these are really nice. They say Big Chucky under there. They don't really show much wear at all, but just a swipe of a wet damp cloth will probably clean up anything that needs to be cleaned on these. So I feel like this was probably, like, this was definitely the best box I've gotten, I would say, because there's only 3 pairs that I wouldn't consider online sellable, but they were in great shape. There was not a single pair of junky. So let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lots of Nikes. 9 and 10. So I did get exactly 10 pairs. Sometimes they throw in an extra because they're just crummy. But yeah, I mean, I would say the three that weren't the best would, were these Carters and the one Walmart and the one Old Navy, but still they're in great shape. So I feel like in most of every other shoebox I've gotten from ThredUp, there's been at least one pair that needed to go in the trash can. So that was a great box. I'm excited. I'm excited to get these cleaned up and listed right now. Summer shoes are selling, those Keens, those natives. So get all your summer bathing suits are selling. I feel like the resale things are hot. Like I'm making lots of sales right now. So I hope you guys are too. And I'm over here refreshing my ThredUp screen. I don't have anything on the way to me. I do have a purchase I made from Unclaimed Baggage that I'll probably share with you guys just because I love that website. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and if you click the little bell button, it will send you a notification every time I upload. All right, guys, until next time, bye.